Okay, now we're getting into something a little more than just take one derivative. This problem says the length of a rectangle is increasing at a rate of this, and its width is increasing at a different rate. So when the length is this and the width is that, how fast is the area increasing? So what does that give us? It means we have a rectangle. I'll even draw one with the actual shape tool, like that. And let's say that its length is increasing, which means it's this way, at 8 centimeters per second, and its width is increasing, not as fast, at 3 centimeters per second, like this. And then it says the current length and width is 20, and the width is 10. How fast is the area increasing? So what they want is the area equals length times width. I'm sure you know that. Right. And what does that mean we need to do? Well, if we take the derivative, because they say how fast, that means with respect to times, we're going to take a dA dt here. Well, these are not in time form. These are just values. And they're changing values, which means it's a function, which means this is a product rule, right? So the product rule is u prime v plus v prime u. This is a consequence of them being functions, meaning that they change. They're not a constant. So what's u prime? Well, that's dl dt, because we're doing it with respect to time. And then it's times the width, because it stays the same, plus dw dt times the length. That's what the product rule says to do. And some of these we know, right? We know that the length is increasing at 8, and we know the width is increasing at that. We also know, actually we also know L and W. I think we know all of these. What's dL dt? That's 8 times the width. The width is 10. What's dW dt? That's 3. And the length is 20. So we should get 80 plus 60. We should get 140 square centimeters per second. And I believe that's the answer. So what we notice here is our first use of product rule with related rates. Because we're taking a derivative with respect to time, and we know that the length and the width are changing, they are not a constant value, then they are functions. These functions, their derivative is found using a product rule.